On behalf of Expert Village, my name is Andrea Spano, and I'm going to show you how to make crab cakes from my new book, Not Just Desserts. Now this sauce is started with butter. I don't put any oil in it because I like to use butter because it blends better with what the crab meat and then all the ingredients and what I fry the crab cakes in. So I've preheated the pan. I've melted about a pat and a half of butter in it, not too much because I really wanted the whole sauce to come together, and I don't want it to break. If you add too much of the butter, it's going to break the sauce. I had my butter in. I'm going to saute my garlic, scallions, and as you can see again how important it is to have your ingredients all ready, cut up on hand to just put in at the moment, so you're not wasting a lot of time and not taking the chance of burning your garlic or ruining the recipe and having to start all over again, because let's face it, the ingredients are very expensive sometimes.